Alright, I think this is video 4 of the alternator. Video 3 talked about taking it off, what tools you needed. I think it was 3/8 for the sense wire and ignition wire going in, the smaller wires. 1/2 inch or 13mm to take off the positive output, which goes to the positive or input side of your solid state battery isolator. Usually they're red or blue and they're finned. The other one was 3/4 19mm to get the securing nut on top, the top ear, and the bottom pivot point bolt, real long, about 6 inches long. Alright, so we got them off. We talked about the pulley had to come off. So I already did, but I'm going to show you something. You got this little tool here. It makes life real easy. Be careful. Don't get all happy with it and break the pulley. Okay, bearing separator, push puller set, Cornwell, OW Charlie 4518. You can get the loaner program at an auto store. Alright. So the one that's been on there, this one was brand new, so it just kind of like fell off. Yay! Of course, this one didn't do that. It had been on there since 2009, 36 weeks. It was 52 weeks, right? Amps 160. Alright, so what you do is you tighten this up just a little bit, grab the ears, get it tight, and then you're going to take your torch, right, a benzomatic torch, right? Don't have to flame it and burn stuff, just going to get a little hot, both sides of the threads, right? And then you're going to hear it go pop, because you you tightened it up. Don't bend these things. Don't break this off because you need that one. These are two different size pulleys. Alright. Hopefully you learned a little bit. Alright, so let me put this on pause and I'll get the old pulley off. Alright, so we got it off. So the socket that takes this big nut off is a 24mm, okay? And it goes counterclockwise. Right? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now I noticed something. This wasn't splined or a Woodruff key. This didn't have a Woodruff key. This one did when I took it off. So you see how it comes off? Now I got to back this. Right, watch this. There you go. Get it off. Get these loose right here. Right, there you go. Spin that this way. Watch. There you go. That's that one. Remember, this has a little indentation in it, right there. And over time they go away. It just goes down that little hole right there. Alright, so we get this loose. Let's see, make sure we didn't mess up the pulley. That's going to be fun finding that bad boy, huh? Hold on, we'll get this one off. Let me get a little light on stuff. There you go. Whoa, I see the light. Anyway, here we go. Alright. That pulley come out. But if you notice something about this old pulley, it has little pieces of rubber in it. So we're going to wire wheel this, clean it up real nice. Now, you're going to say, well, there wasn't much of a difference. Well, okay, here you go. There's your difference. Okay. And look at the inside this diameter, and then you count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now remember, this one had a Woodruff key. All right. Remember, I'm going to rebuild this alternator. Look at that junk back in there. Woo! Alright, look at that junk. Look at that right there, all that junk. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause, get that Woodruff key off, because this did not have one. Alright, so we got the Woodruff key. A couple ways to do it. You can tap right here on this end, right, that end, and work your way down. Like here, I used a wide one till it got level with the shaft. And don't beat the crap out of it, tap it. I use this stuff. Remember I told you, Kroll. That thing's $26 a can. And that's me buying a damn case of it. 16.5 ounces. I couldn't give you 17 now. Anyway, then you get it a little bit, right? Get it down a little more. And then you take this one. It's going to do the seesaw effect. It's going to push it down, lift it up higher here. Then you take, right? What's it called? Well, you tap it, tap, 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 tap. Right? There you go. So pretty much that's what it took. Now I want to show you something. This fan has a built-in spacer on it. Keeps it away from rubbing this. Notice this one didn't, but it had it right here. See? So there's the Woodruff key. And of course I put it in. Remember that Woodruff key has a slot in the washer. You have to have that space back there. Put it in there, right? There we go. We're going to get her in there. There you are. It's away from the alternator. Doesn't make no sound. And then we're going to clean this up. Lord, there's all kind of rubber in there. Alright, and I got to do that to the other pulleys. The crankshaft. The tensioner pulley's smooth. The alternator's groove. The AC screw. The tensioner's smooth pulley. And the idler smooth pulley. So I'm changing those out too while I'm in there, but not today. That'll be another video or something. But let me get this cleaned up, and that's pretty much right. Don't forget the sizes you need. Right, that was what, 24 millimeter, I think. Yep. All right. You don't have to bang the right. Just zing it on. Wait till you get it, the belt and all on it, and then tighten it by torque. 65 foot-pounds, I think it is. I'll look at the paper now. Now I'm going to clean this pulley up right here. Get her nice looking good. I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to clean her up. Alright, so they're nice and clean now. Nothing in them grooves, right? Looking good. Alright, so basically we just put this back in there. Alright, I'm going to clean down there the Woodruff key groove. And then I'll put it back on and tap it a little bit. Like tap, tap. Like when I mean bip it, right? Like that. Actually install it, put the belt on it. I'm gonna have a new water pump and all that coming. That's later. Right now we'll just get this alternator on there. I got parts for this. I'm gonna rebuild it, keep it in on hand, because there's a lot of Caterpillars out there in Cummins that use a Leecnevile DUVAC system. Hopefully I went over this enough with you. I'm going to change out all the eyelets on each end of wire. So basically I've done that already for you in other videos. Show you how to put eyelets on, crimp them. Make sure you shrink them so they get no corrosion or anything in them. This back here in the engine compartment a little bit. Well, thank you once again. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto? Test, not guess.